Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to link Discord to PS4 in 2025. If you're a gamer who loves chatting with friends on Discord while dominating on your PlayStation, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get straight into it, step by step, so you can be up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest versions of both Discord and your PS4 software installed. This is crucial because 2025 brings some updated security features that require everything to be current. Start by opening the Discord app on your computer, phone, or even directly on your PS5 if you're using cross-platform tools. But remember, we're focusing on PS4 here. Step 1. Log into your Discord account and head to the user settings. You can find this by clicking the gear icon next to your username. Once there, scroll down to the Connections or Integrations section. This is where the magic happens for linking external services. Next, look for the PlayStation Network option. It might be listed under Console Integrations or something similar, depending on the 2025 updates. Click on it and follow the prompts to sign in with your PlayStation account. You'll probably need to enter your PSN email and password here. Don't worry, it's secure. Now, switch over to your PS4. Go to the main menu, navigate to Settings, then Account Management, and select Linked Services or Privacy and Online Safety. Here, you'll see an option to connect to Discord. Generate a link code or scan a QR code as prompted. It's that simple. Once you've entered the code or confirmed the connection on both ends, test it out by joining a Discord voice channel and checking if your PS4 activity shows up. If you run into any issues, double-check your internet connection or restart both apps. Pro tip: keep your Discord notifications muted during intense gaming sessions to stay focused. And there you have it. Your Discord is now linked to your PS4. This setup will make your gaming experience in 2025 even more social and fun. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.